Cabbage and Tyler at the car wash. Our adorable koala friends are ready to start an amazing adventure in Snappy World. Tyler and baby Lee are the first to arrive at school. Sleepy Cabbage is always the last to arrive. Down the Merry-Gate slide and into Snappy World we go. Whee! Our little koalas hold hands. Do you see Boo, Cabbage, Poppy, Izzy, Baby Lee, Tyler? Flame is waiting for them at a bus stop to take them to his car wash. Tyler is very excited. He loves cars. The children walk by shops. Look, the flower shop has many pretty flowers.
Wow!
Poppy likes the big yellow sunflower. Ooh! Tyler and baby Lee stop outside the sweet shop. They have never seen so many sweets. They arrive at the car wash. The car wash has 3 very shiny electric cars parked outside. A blue one, a green one, and a red one. Welcome to my car wash! Thank you for helping me wash a car today. You will need these: a bucket, a sponge, soap, and a towel. Step 1. Fill the bucket with clean water. It is for keeping the soap sponge clean. Step 2. Wash the dirt off the car with a hose. Step 3. Put soap in the bucket of water. Use the sponge to cover the car with soap. Step 4. Time to rinse the car with the hose again. Step 5. Dry the car with the towel. Are you ready? Let's go! The children wash the car together. Teamwork is fun. But wait! Where is Cabbage? Cabbage is stuck between the big blue rollers. You must never wander off on your own. It is dangerous. Sorry, I won't do it again. Izzy, Tyler, Baby Lee, Boo, Poppy, and Cabbage finish washing the purple car. Oh my! There are bubbles everywhere! They worked hard as a team and did a great job. Thank you for helping me wash a car today. The children had a lot of fun. They give Flame a big koala hug and say goodbye.
Goodbye!
Time to go home in the big hot air balloon. Remember, never wander off on your own.